Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode of Code with Lima, I am going to be showing you guys how to install Xcode on a Windows laptop. Like I mentioned in my introductory video, I said I was going to be installing Xcode on a Windows system for those guys that do not have a MacBook and still want to, go into iOS development, write Swift. This is a good opportunity for you to be able to learn how to be able to download the software, the IDE used to build these applications for iOS devices on your Windows laptop. Okay guys, so here we go. The first thing you want to do guys is download macOS. You need to download the latest macOS because that's what I'll be using. That is macOS Big Sur 11. So just download the latest macOS. I'm going to be dropping a link in my description box, so please download it over there. You're going to need at least 10 gigabytes data to be able to download because it's quite a huge file and it will take a while depending on your internet, your network, how fast it is and whatnot. So download that first, and then the next thing you want to do is download VirtualBox because you're going to be mounting your Mac OS on this virtual machine. So you go to virtualbox.org. I'll also be dropping that link down below, and you want to come to downloads. You want to click on Windows host to start downloading VirtualBox 6.1.18. So you click on download and allow it to download. I already downloaded my macOS, so I don't have to download it right now. And then you have to download the VirtualBox extension pack. So you click on all supported platforms, sorry, and wait for it to download. Okay, so when you finish downloading all this, then we're going to install this. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead to install my VirtualBox on my Windows system. I'm going to click next, and just click yes. So we're going to wait for the virtual machine to install, and that's it. So click finish, and we're done with that. So you go ahead to open your virtual machine. So this is my virtual machine. The first thing you want to do is you want to add your extension that you downloaded here. So you go to files, go to preferences, you can see extension here, then you click on, I already installed the extension on this virtual machine, but I'll show you how to do it. You click on plus and you look for wherever it is your extension is. Here is mine. Click on open and you just go ahead with the process. So you click OK. The next thing you want to do is you want to create your virtual machine and you want to customize it. You click on new. You can give it whatever name, but I'm going to be naming mine Mac OS Big Sur, and then 64-bit. Yes, click next, and then you want to give it at least 4 gigabytes space. I have enough, so I'm going to give it 5. Click on next, and then you want to create a virtual hard disk. Click on create. You want to make sure it is on VHD and not VDI. Click on next, dynamically allocated next. Then you want to give it a reasonable amount of memory. So I'm going to be giving it around 16. If you have a smaller size, a system that has a smaller size memory, you can go for at least 8 gigabytes guys. So I'm going to click on create, and there you go guys. I have created my virtual machine on this system. So now you want to go ahead and customize it. You want to also mount your Mac OS on this virtual machine. So what you're going to do is you go to settings, come to system, make sure that you uncheck floppy, you click on okay, go to processor and make sure you give it at least 4 GB or 4 CPU, sorry, and you go to display. You want to make sure that the video memory is full on 128 MB. Then you go to storage, click on empty, and you want to click here and choose or create a, macOS file that you downloaded. So you're going to click on add. Okay, so my file is in download, so this is it, and I'm going to click on this file and click open. Click on choose, and yeah, that's that. I'm also going to come to, let's see, USB port. I'm going to pick this USB 3.0 port, and I'm going to click OK. Okay, so I'm going to drop a Google Drive link on my description, my video description below. So you're going to use that. That's a code that we're going to use on our command prompt in order to allow the Mac OS work. So click on that link and just follow the following steps. The next thing you want to do is you want to copy the name of this Mac OS that we have created. So you can just do that by coming to settings here, and in the general tab you're going to see the name. So you copy this name, copy it, and you close down the virtual machine. So we have the code here. I've opened it on my notepad. So what you want to do is you want to highlight this part that says type your virtual machine name here, and you want to use the replace function. So when you click on replace, you're going to replace it with what you copied, which is Mac OS Big Sur, because this is what I want to replace, and you click on replace all. So it replaces all instances of the text that we highlighted. You want to go ahead to create to open up your command prompt, and you want to open it up as admin. So you come here to your search, you type in command prompt, you run as administrator, press enter. So you copy this one from here, from the beginning, you copy and you put it here, control V, enter. So you do that for everything. After you have finished copying and pasting the code into the command prompt, I want you to close your command prompt and turn on your virtual machine. Let us start loading the Mac OS. So now that we're here, we want to start up our Mac OS. Click on start and let's go. This is what you see. Just let it run through the whole process until you see your Apple logo.
So guys, this process took quite a while, so you should be ready to wait. Click on English, click on install. Okay, disk utility. So you have to delete the hard disk. You have to erase it rather. So you click on VBox hard disk media, click on erase. I'm going to name it Apple. I'm going to click on erase. Now click on install macOS Big Sur. Continue, continue. So you just want to set it up now. Agree. Um, Click on Apple. Continue. And then just wait for it to load. So here we go. We have our macOS on our Windows laptop. So you click on your country. In my case, it's Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. Click on continue, continue. Now, so when you come here, you want to set up your local network. To set it up so you can be able to access internet on your virtual machine. Continue, continue, continue. You agree to the terms and conditions as usual. You want to fill in your Apple ID. Continue, continue. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can also set one up. I'm going to drop a link below. So just finish the process. And here you go. So you go to your app store and search for Xcode, and there it is. Then you just download. I already downloaded, so just download it and voila, you open your Xcode and now you're ready to start writing Swift on your Windows laptop. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you all very much.